In this video, you will get an overview how to add feedback form as a post-training evaluation in the asynchronous format programs online. To add to the learning track feedback form as a material, and it can be post-training evaluation, you get to Program Builder, My Programs, choose the program, add the block where the feedback form will appear. In Content, you fill in title and description, so you write the name of the activity or the feedback, and then you add the questions. For example, it can be the statement and the description, what will be the rates, the values. Question type can be scale. There are several question types you may add to the feedback form. For example, the second question, again, it's a scale, and one more scale question, and one more, and the open question, for example, for the text, and the number of responses is 5. So there can be 5 responses for this open question. For the feedback form as a material on lanes, it can be single choice, multiple choice, text, scale, brainstorm to generate some ideas, maybe options to offer, and empty questions. In settings, it can be used enabled deferred access after the start of training session or the day of training session. Can be defined a number of days, time, and the opportunities to notify participants, the option not to notify participants, and as well it can be the message which is by default, or you can add your message. Additionally, it can be said that material is required, that it's a must to fill in feedback form. It can be added discussion section where participants may share some comments, maybe ideas. And it can be set a deadline. How many days training participants will have to fill in the feedback form. Let's take a view of the feedback form with the participant's eyes on the learning track. The question, instruction, guideline to answer, second statement, question 3, next one, and as well the 5 text options to write the answers here. In this video, we made an overview how to add feedback form as a post-training evaluation material, for example, in the asynchronous learning program, how to do that on lanes.